Yep, here again. It's been a little while since I put a video up because I've been away on holiday. Absolutely lovely staycation with my wife and my two lovely daughters. Cracking time. Unfortunately, on the first day, well, the day we got there, dropped some bits off at our flat. Went to go to Combe Martin to have a look, and the car broke down. Suspected leak on the hill, or something with the head gasket. So, not even sure if the car's back yet. It's supposed to come back before us, but the garage I take them to is not there. Anyway, managed not to put any weight on holiday, but I've lost 0 with absolutely loads of walking due to not having a car. So I was all excited thinking I've probably lost a bit of weight, and I've lost zilch. 0. So back here doing the old fat man job again, see what happens. And I've also subscribed to Second Nature. It's not a diet plan, it's like a health thing plan, so we'll see how that goes, how it works, if I could lose weight, and I'll post updates on that as well. Awesome. Have a good evening.